Okay, Mr. Olson, I'm sorry to inform you have to leave because the governor of New Jersey has declared a state of emergency and everyone has to leave the East Coast and head west or north.
So here we are early in the morning of the 28th following receiving this dear valued guest, Governor of New Jersey, Governor Christie, announcing mandatory evacuation in effect beginning 8 a.m. Sunday, October 28th. There we go. So, that means we have to leave town. We're leaving town now. We're sneaking out in the middle of the night. Catch you later. So here we are, back in Ogdensburg.
Yes.
Joe's attempts to shop in Atlantic City were thwarted, so guess where she is.
Where she's going.
She's back here.
Guess what she's wearing? Her hurricane clothes. Guess what temperature it is now?
Yeah, it's like 4 degrees.
And what was it there? 23 one day.
Yeah.